out on the floor a little bit more here at 360 and do some foam rolling for Latissimus Dorsi. So, nice stable position on the floor. Foam roller goes under your torso. Now remember, lat actually is like low back. It attaches to the lumbar aponeurosis, comes up, forms most of this back of your armpit, and comes around and attaches it kind of in the anterior aspect of your humerus. So that's a lot of stuff to get to. So you're gonna have to kind of spend some time, quality time with it, and just kind of find the stuff that hurts. I know where my stuff that hurts is. It's always here. Yeah, right there. Yeah. So, see if I can find something super tender. There we go. And I can do a little movement with my arm. And that's pretty much it. You want to make sure that you're getting all of it. So you're going out to your arm, and you're getting all the way down along your ribs. And that is foam rolling Latissimus Dorsi. Enjoy!